taken up.
So, my lord is tagging it with that, my lord? My lord,
Dismissed.
my lord may not do that, my lord. It will have to be tagged with that, my lord.
No, not.
Then, my lord, there'll be no way of venting this grievance, my lord.
We will permit you to assist the court. You can always assist us. Why to keep this kind of privilege appeal pending in Supreme Court? Some voter going against an MLA, elected MLA, you have contested election, successfully won it. Why?
My lord, 62 also same order, my lord. 64.
Item. Both. No discrimination.
There.
Consistency. That is. Well, this is too much.
To be taken together, my lord.
What is the High Court doing with
Mr.
that?
Simple, now that you are there in the bar also, of course you have always been there, but now with different role, please resolve these issues.
No, certainly, Maharaj. I'd love to resolve.
Something.
Yeah. But what is the High Court doing? Maharaj? This
begins to
Maharaj,
do all this.
cancelling. What is all this
18
going
years,
on?
High Court should
No,
do
Maharaj, they have raised bills. That is, you have to pay your electricity bill.
1 crore 50.
1 crore 50 lakhs because it's part of the High Court. So we are not going to pay, you pay. What is going on, Maharaj?
Issue notice.
My lord, I am appearing for the.
Very good. Exception, Madam Archana's.
Lords,
assisting you.
Lords, I am appearing for the High Court. May I just say 1 second, Lords?
Then
I have instructions to say.
notice on
I
behalf
also-
of the High Court. And who else is left out?
Arjun Garg.
Arjun Garg for the High
Yes,
Court,
for the
and
High
Archana's assisting counsel will appear for Amit Patel.
Yes.
And he is the writ petitioner. And
Yes,
there
he
is
is.
another bar also represented by anyone.
That is the main bar. In fact, I would just want to point out here one thing. 700 members are there in the main bar. This this association is only 300 members.
How long has this gone on?
2007 only, and the main bar is from 1956. Now, my lords, I just want
We
to
also have advocates on record. We have bar association.
Yes, but those are two different classes. My lords, Scora and SCBA. Tomorrow, can there be two SCBAs? That is my pertinent question. Can't be. And my lords, just see the photographs. These are exclusive to the use of these 200 people who are local advocates and 100 who are outstationed. For the past,
Go to the Calcutta High Court, you will see.
I'll just finish it. For the past 3 years, they have not given memberships to the new members. Only few handpicked have been given. There is no audit.
You must be aware that there is another matter before us, that Madras Bar, MBA as we call,
Yes.
Madras Bar Association matter,
I
where we
agree.
are going to examine and not going to examine. Despite resistance, opposition, we are going to introduce certain reforms in
Yeah.
Absolutely, my lord.
pan-India basis. That
Absolutely.
matter is coming. We will
Bar
hear this
attached.
matter also with them. With
For
that, anyway, who
For
will
the High Court,
represent
can I
the
make a
other bar?
suggestion? If my lords may kindly permit. For the High Court, my lords, I am just making a suggestion. My lords, insofar as they are all esteemed senior members of the bar, my lords, and the other members of the bar who are there, they are also members of the parent bar, all of them.
Yes.
So there is no question of evicting them, etc., etc. I am only requesting, my lords, still you lords to decide this question. This premise or the place, my lords, can be used by all of them, the other members of the bar also. That 3,000 members of the bar. This rift, my lord, becomes, it's not good for the administration of the justice. That's the only concern that the High Court has.
Photograph.
Who is for the other bar?
No one.
Say the Madhya Pradesh, the respondent
The MP High Court Bar Association. That's the parent bar.
4, my lords.
respondent 4 may be served through Dasti notice. Post the matter of the served respondents may file their counter affidavit within 4 weeks. Within 6 weeks, post the matter for on so date. Meanwhile, status quo shall be maintained.
Let it be used by all the advocates, my lords, who are there.
Meanwhile, status quo premises allocated to the petitioner association
As it's put on the date of the judgment.
shall be maintained till further.
Square feet. My lords,
Shall be maintained till
Deeply
further.
obliged.
my lords, the mother bar has 10,000.
That is not the way to this, the approach of the High Court. We don't want to comment today.
Might be the case.
These are not the matters which are to be resolved on judicial side.
We agree.
This is absolutely uncalled for, and it gives sometimes a wrong message also.
Sat together and my lords discussed this, and my lords, this should not have come here.
Sat
But the
together, it's a
point is,
judicial order. What sit together you're talking about?
10,000 square feet.
We must and this he was also he was practical. He was transferred earlier. He has been brought. He's indulging in all kind of things.
There's a-
The electricity matter is item 30.
There are two matters.
There are two matters.
Both matters same order
That's right.
and status quo shall be maintained till further orders.
So item 30, High Court is not a party, my lord. That's between the state and the bar.
Item 30 Olite on oral mentioning the High Court of Madhya Pradesh through its registrars and his audited in pleadings are responded so and so. Amended post act will be filed within 1 week. Then issue notice.
Yeah,
Then you can accept notice for
Well,
High Court.
I can, my lord, there the dispute is with regard to electricity charges between the state and the bar. There the High Court has nothing to do, my lord. So I was-
Why? The High Court has been paying
No, the
what
High Court
the High
has
Court has
to-
nothing to do. This is shocking, Malad.
My lords, at the cost of
Court and ex bar.
It is not court and ex bar. That's the whole point, my lord. This is unauthorized.
And
three
three different,
just at the cost of
Yes,
repetition.
till now, 3rd May, what was the position?
My lords, we were not allowed. The majority of the members were not allowed.
yes, you're not the
You have
members of
main
that
hall
bar.
or not with you? Bar
That
room,
is 10.
bar library, everything must be there.
Nothing. That is my
Yes.
submission. My lords, they have been given.
Then please, instead of snatching their space, ask the High Court,
Well, it's
ask the
we-
Supreme Court, give you to some space. We will provide you.
Allowed to go in, my lords, we are not outsiders, we are the advocates there. My lords, 200 people using
My lords.
24,000 square feet of place. And my lords, we 2,700, my lords.
We will-
See, we are the, my lords, the main bar.
Because
My
at an,
lords, we are
at
saying,
an,
let us use that.
at an
I'm sure
appropriate
my-
time,
my
we will
senior
tell
would
you
not have
what
any
is the
problem with
background
that.
of formation of this bar. Why this bar was formed, my lord, we were compelled to separate from the bar and make this new bar. The hooliganism, my lord, that was taking place in the original bar.
We know that much, therefore we didn't want to point all that out.
Yes,
Yes,
my lord,
sir.
so that's the reason.
They are our brothers and sisters. We don't want to say what happened.
Only
Senior members were being manhandled by my lord, the so-called the original bar members.
That's because they are the original, no?
You see, some of the High Courts have unpleasant experience, but now I can share my very pleasant experience. And all credit goes to Elder Sibil Saab, late Hiralal Sibil Saab. The first Senior Advocates Bar Association in our High Court was voluntarily as constituted by us. Mr. Hiralal Sibil became the president and I became the secretary
That's right.
of the first secretary of the bar.
That's right.
And we got a space from the High Court. That space is still there. When I became chairman of the building committee, I gave a little more space because by that time strength of the senior advocates increased. Such a cordial relationship.
Yeah.
You go,
Even
you will enjoy it. Anybody can go there, sit there. They can all are mixed up because you are all a family. They are not the way that you start fighting in court.
Yes, and my lord,
everyone use
my
their
lord,
mind.
one,
This can
one
be
more thing
resolved,
that
and
we
that
need,
can be
one
used
more
by
thing,
the
my
other
lord, we need.
members also. Why not the other members are allowed to use that is my question.
See, that when you go through the court order that I will see you that you don't dare to allow me, then problem arises. That is what has happened.
Things they say only members are allowed. Library, cafeteria, waiting lounge, everything just for the 200 members. Well, we are now today, Malaj, espousing the interest of all the members of the bar, not just handful.
No, we
There is
appreciate
an
your,
agenda behind it. There is an
projection of
agenda.
haves and have-nots.
Malaj, but then
An
it
agenda
can't be
behind it.
controlled just by a handful. I am today standing for the entire bar.
Yes.
My learned senior can espouse the cause for those 200, but
No,
I'm
they will answer. Mr.
let them use it, my
Local
lord.
senior advocates are here. Mr. Vivek Tankai is here. Mr. Srivastava is here. And
Yes, my lord, yes.
we will ask Mr. Sibbal to visit someday both the bar
Yes,
associations.
yes,
will
of
invite
course,
him.
my lord.
I've been there, but I was told that if this goes away, I won't be able to stand anywhere.
Let him also visit that 10,000.
This Dave,
Mr. Sibbal, why don't you threaten them that you are going to contest their election?
That's a good one, my lord. That's a very good one.
Miss Dave can use your persuasive skills there too.
My lords, I am only saying let them use the bar.
You see,
And stop
not this kind
That will
of
create more
we will
problem.
not allow. We will see how the modalities can be resolved.
Yes, I'm agreeable to that, my lord.
These youngsters, if they will try to misbehave like this with the elders, you will completely lose your respect of profession.
It's not
Nobody will acknowledge even the members of the bar. You must understand that what are the responsibilities attached to this role. And if they will behave, if they are with own seniors, with their own elders, if they misbehave like this, then nothing is going to happen. But if they will respectfully behave, apologize,
That undertaking.
will be repentant, will accept that what is known as a guru and shishya relationship, definitely will get the guru dakshina also.
My lords, we observe it here, the Guru Shishya Parampara that is there. But the only thing is, my lords, should it be restricted for one side?
सीट ओपन देखना कि
See, that is something always welcome, and bar association should have all good facilities, good amenities, good bar space, respectable space, good cafe area, something. No, but then mutuality and respect and
Absolutely.
cordiality are the basic essence of an institution. If the seniors are afraid of you going there, they apprehend some kind of humiliation. And nowadays, we ultimately we don't want to comment so many things. We have to think of that how the free for all entrance is being allowed in the legal profession. How the people in High Court and Supreme Court bars are coming. What kind of training we are providing to them, and what kind of exposure they have. So unfortunately, those norms, ethical values, respect for the seniors, that everything is now disappearing. That's very, very, very serious concern.
My lord, there should be some screening at the time of giving the license to practice. There is no screening at all. There is mushrooming of the law colleges everywhere. And then after that, just with the degree and
In fact, my learned now senior colleague Mr. Sibal appearing on this side, I would think that there will be some cordial
Something,
relationship
yes.
and some
That's why
solution
we asked
to
you.
this. The judiciary is not to be intervened, that is fine, but then we should sit
No,
together,
no, judiciary
have a
should,
solution, my lord.
judiciary should intervene in the sense that judiciary being impartial to all, they should mediate, they should sit as an elder of the family, head of the family, and resolve it
Absolutely.
instead of creating a confronting situation.
Plus, in fact, this would create a bigger rift, my lords.
That's why we are thinking of that. Next time, please, all of you give suggestion what is to be done.
My lords are giving a returnable date,
Yes, yes, we are fixing it.
August. I'm obliged.
Lords, the practice of